You will be creating a flow chart showing the steps for week 2 using bubble.us. You're going to need to browse up and down this page and look and see what this week's project entails. Then you will go to bubble.us. You will create a flow chart that looks like this over here on the right. You may have your bubbles in a little different place, but it clearly will show that in the intro there will be 4 steps. You're going to need to rearrange those steps and copy and paste them in the correct bubbles. Then you will go into the Polls Everywhere section. The Kids Zone Create a Graph will be right here, these 3. And then the last section there, the Tagsedo, will be this extension off of here. So these steps over here are in the wrong order. It is your job to use this page to go through and copy and paste these into the bubble.us in the correct order. So this is what the bubble.us site looks like. You will go and create an account. You can use your school issued email address and password to create this. You can come up with your own, put your own real name in there if you choose. And then you will go and start the brainstorming session, and you will start putting your bubbles where you need them. You can use this to create child bubbles and click down, and you can, like I said, copy and paste the steps and create your chart. Okay, so I'm going to copy this step and I'm going to put it into the bubble where I need that by pasting it. Okay, oops, sorry guys. You hit Control V on your keyboard and it'll paste those in, and you will build this flow chart here on the page to show the steps for week 2's activities. When you are finished, you're going to export this as a JPEG. Make sure you put it where you know it is. Okay, so when this comes up, make sure you know where you're putting it to. Usually this will save the file into the downloads area, and you'll be able to go into your downloads area in Windows 7. And you can find it in there. See that mine is right there. You will right click on this and rename it. For me, I would put my last name and then week 2 flowchart. I can cut this or copy it for copying. Go over here to your Dropbox. Look for the folder that we share. My folders are going to look a little different than yours, but you will go into the folder that is shared. Look for the folder that has your name on it, and you will paste it into there so that it's now in there. Okay, so that will be what you do to turn in your flowchart and finish it. When you are finished, you can go ahead and move on to step 3. We will review this as a class and see whether you finish yours correctly soon.